The burnt earth beach house stands as a visceral response to the rugged coastline of Anglesea, Victoria. Designed by architect John Wardle as a personal sanctuary, the residence deliberately departs from the polished aesthetics of urban Melbourne life. It is rooted in a profound material narrative, where the architecture doesn't just sit upon the land but feels as though it was excavated directly from the ocher-colored cliffs that define the local surf coast. Central to this connection is a custom-developed brick, created in collaboration with Krause Bricks. These elements were handcrafted through a process of extrusion and manual tearing, ensuring that no two surfaces are identical. This raw, uneven texture mirrors the geological irregularities of the surrounding environment, allowing the home to age gracefully and develop a rich patina. The result is a structure that feels both enduring and deeply personal, transcending temporary architectural trends. The internal layout flows with an intentional rhythm that prioritizes communal connection and reflection. Upon entry, a central courtyard serves as an informal hearth, drawing the landscape inward and anchoring the surrounding living zones. The kitchen, dominated by a massive terracotta-tiled island, acts as the functional heart of the home, while the dining area and secluded reading nooks offer framed views back toward the central void. This spatial choreography encourages a slower pace of life, distinct from the frantic energy of the city. Upstairs, the design shifts toward a more ethereal atmosphere while maintaining its tactile foundation. A floating study, shrouded in hand-knitted knitting from Vietnam, provides a quiet perch above the social zones, while secondary living spaces are flooded with natural light from expansive windows. Every finish, from the Italian terracotta tiles of Coto Manetti to the concrete basins that emulate weathered stone, is a testament to Wardle's fascination with ceramics and the enduring beauty of the earth.